Hello, trading is closed on October 10th, 2017. Yesterday I was looking for a pattern today with an early high, which we got. Tomorrow's pattern, Thursdays and Fridays all should have a pattern with an early low. This is a pattern which tends to rally throughout the day, typically hitting the high of day near the close. We got the rally, but this is a weak iteration of the pattern because it didn't hit a new high. Unless we gap up sharply tomorrow and break out to a new high quickly, lower prices should print tomorrow. That isn't the only thing wrong with the pattern. We've hit a new all-time high, couldn't hold on to this high, and this high. It's a sign of churning at the top. We've also gapped up 2 days straight. We have nothing to show for it as we can't hold on to those early gains. It's a negative pattern unless we invalidate it by gapping up and promptly taking out this all-time high. This was the original count I had October 5th. The idea was this rally is overlapping. It can't be impulsive, can't be wave 5, has to be a B. And at some point, being a corrective wave, it has to end. I originally had this blue C as ABC, and this counting 5 waves up. It works on a daily chart, but if you look at the hourly or the half-hourly chart, there's no way to break this up that I can find into 5 waves, and that means this must be an ABC also, and we have to relabel wave blue C. If that's A, at today's high, wave C is 61.8% of A. What's also interesting is that wave purple C is exactly equal to purple A within half a point, a quarter of a point. This length is 137 points. It's the number the market likes. For example, you can go back 137 points from that thing there, and you have yourself another hit. The DeMark stuff has really failed to live up to its reputation too many times on this rally for me, but we are on the DeMark sell on the 65-minute chart. And what makes it interesting is we could be on a combo sell on the daily chart also. You need 13 bars, but the last 3 don't have to obey all the rules, and that might be enough. If we go slightly higher tomorrow, that quarter point, we were shy of A equals C. That would be bar 13, which can complete early, but it doesn't have to go to completion anyway. Well, here's your number 137 again. You got 137 points in this last leg, as we saw. It's also 137 trading days from this low. Gann likes squaring of the time and price. Here's bar numbers, 155 bars, 155 points. Anything within a 1 point, fraction of a point is close enough. So we have a 1-by-1 Gann line. This 137 number is one the market likes. You measure from this low to this low, that's 137 days. You measure again, you get a perfect hit, 137 days. Here's the first rally off the low of the inverted diamond on stilts. It's 137 points. So we have a number the market likes. We have the Gann squaring of time and price. We have the DeMark sell signals. We have an excellent wave count. We have a pattern which failed to hold on to new highs and which failed to close at a new all-time high after hitting one early in this pattern. We have a lot of resistance at this point. If we don't take this high out early tomorrow, I expect to see lower prices, and if we start dropping tomorrow, it's close enough to my October 11th change in trend for me to think that a large down move starting tomorrow should be believed and could have legs. And that's today's call.